friends, I am Ritu. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to prepare peas pulao in cooker. Let's start. To make peas pulao, we need 1 glass basmati rice. However, you can also prepare with premium quality rice. 1 and 1/3 glass water. 100 gram fresh or frozen green peas. Here I am using frozen peas. 2 bay leaves, tej patta, 2-inch cinnamon stick dalchini, 2 crushed green cardamom ilaichi, 1 crushed black cardamom, 1 mace javitri, 1 star anise chakrafool, 2 cloves long and salt to taste. 3 to 4 tablespoon ghee. If you don't like ghee, then you can use oil or butter. 18 to 20 split cashew. First, put the rice in a bowl and wash it with water 2 to 3 times until the water runs clear. Afterwards, add 1 glass of water into the washed rice and soak it for 20 minutes. Once the 20 minutes are over, drain the water and keep it aside for further use. Now, turn on the flame and heat a pressure cooker. Then add ghee and let it heat on medium flame. Once the ghee is heated, add all whole spices and fry it till the spices turn aromatic. Then add cashew and fry it till it turns golden. Afterwards, add green peas and fry it for a minute on medium flame. If you are using fresh peas, then fry it for 2 minutes till the peas become soft. After 1 minute, add soaked rice mix it and fry the rice for a minute on medium flame. Keep stirring. Now add 1 and 1/3 glass water for 1 glass of rice. Increase the flame to high. Add salt to taste and mix it well. Now close the lid properly and cook it for 2 whistles on high flame. After 2 whistles, turn off the flame. Let the cooker cool down completely. Don't open in between. Once the cooker cooled down, open it carefully and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes without cover. After 2 to 3 minutes, mix it smoothly. And take it out in a serving bowl or in a plate. Our green peas pulao is ready. If you like my recipe, hit like, subscribe my channel and press the bell button for notification. Thank you.